Do you want to create healthy homemade dips in just 5 minutes? It's easier than you might think. Using simple fresh ingredients, you can whip up dips that are far better and healthier than store-bought versions. Hello everyone, I'm Farhad, and today we are making 4 different delicious cottage cheese based dips that are packed with flavor and nutrients. Each takes about 5 minutes, and be sure to stay tuned until the end for some surprising facts about cottage cheese. So let's get started. Okay, the first one we're going to make is the cottage cheese with roasted red pepper. So I have the ingredients here, very simple. Only thing we're using is just a food processor. So we throw everything in, and voila, you have your dip ready. So I have 1 cup of cottage cheese. So fat-free, low fat. This one is a low fat. And then I'm using half a cup of roasted red pepper. Just a couple of cloves of fresh garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And just some salt and pepper to taste. That's all there is to it. Get the lid on. We'll give it a couple of bursts. And voila, your dip is ready. Okay, let's give it a taste and see if it needs anything. It's perfect. Now, some may say it needs a little bit more salt, but that's all up to you and your taste. I think just fine. So I'm gonna take this, put this in a bowl, and then I'm gonna start the other one. The next one is gonna be black bean cottage cheese dip. So you saw how simple that was it. Now, when I said 5 minutes, I included the prep work too. So it really takes about not even 5 minutes sometimes. Okay, for making the cottage cheese black bean, we're gonna do the same amount of cottage cheese, 1 cup. Now, of course, you can modify this recipe, make more, double, triple, but I'm just making a little bit just to show you how it works. So I got 1 cup of cottage cheese, half a cup of black bean from can. It's rinsed, drained, and then I have 1/4 cup of corn. That's not from can, that's from frozen. I use the frozen one because they have a lot less sodium. So, and then I have half a tablespoon of lime juice. And then I have half a tablespoon of chili powder. Half a tablespoon of cumin. And then 2 tablespoons of cilantro. And then salt and pepper to taste. There you go, we'll do the same thing. You gotta blend everything. Now, if you wanna make this spicy, just put a little bit of either crushed red pepper or a little bit of fresh jalapeno. Great, we're done with this one too. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dish it up and then get to the next one. What is gonna be next one? Well, you have to wait to see. Are you ready for the third one? What is it? Beets and cottage cheese. Delicious. Okay. So we do the same thing. 1 cup of cottage cheese, half a cup of beets from the can, a couple of cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, and then I have 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. All right, there we go. So be patient with this one because it's gonna take a little bit longer because of the beets. You can chop the beets if you want in smaller pieces. I don't, and you saw me, I did it and I didn't chop them, but it's okay. It takes a little bit longer. And you can see it's almost there. It probably takes about a minute or so. It takes about a minute or so for it to get to the creamy texture that you want, just like it is now. So just be patient. It looks great. Let's taste it. Excellent. Excellent. So now we're done with this. Now we're gonna make the next one. Stay tuned for that. And our fourth and last dip is a spicy avocado with cottage cheese. So I have 1 cup of cottage cheese. And then I have, you can use 1 to 2 avocados. I had small ones, so I used 2. If you have 1 large, then that should do it. And then I have some fresh jalapenos. Either use a very small one or if you have a large one, I mean, all you need is just probably about 2-3 ounces. Seeded and chopped. And then I have 1 tablespoon of lime juice, half a teaspoon of paprika, and some salt and pepper to taste. There we go. All right. All right, I think we should be good here. Oh, I see a little piece of jalapeno there, so we gotta give it a couple more burns. Right, I think we're good here. Yeah, nice and smooth. Let's see. Perfect, just perfect. I just like it to be a little bit more spicier, but for those who love spicy, add more jalapenos to it. If you don't want it spicy, then ignore the jalapeno. But I really highly recommend some kick for this one. Well, for all of them, actually, for all of them. But that's all up to you. You can modify all these 4 dips the way you like. You know, add a little bit more spice to it, or any way that you want. So very easy, very flexible. And there you have it, everyone. 4 of the best cottage cheese-based dips that you can make at home in minutes. Healthy, tasty, nothing to it. Now you can stop buying those unhealthy dips from the store that are full of fat, sodium, additives, and all that, and make these instead. And serve it to your family and friends. And don't tell them it's cottage cheese based, and see if they notice that. So go ahead and make these, and then let me know which one is your favorite. Now I really don't have a favorite. I like them all, except the one thing I would change is making more spices, because I like them spicy, really, really spicy. So other than that, but I'm sure there's gonna be someone that is gonna like one over the other. So let me know. I would love to hear from you and know which one is your favorite. One surprising fact about cottage cheese is that it's a rich source of casein, protein, which is digested slowly, making it an excellent option for sustained energy and muscle recovery. Unlike other dairy products, cottage cheese also contains a significant amount of probiotics, which can aid in digestion and boost gut health. Most people don't even realize that this creamy cheese is low in calorie, yet packed with essential nutrients like like calcium, B vitamins, and phosphorus, making a powerhouse for bone health and metabolism. Well, thank you so much everyone for joining me on this episode. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and also leave comments with any question that you might have, and share the video with family and friends. Also, please watch my other videos on my right and left if you haven't already, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.